Good morning. It is January 13th today, Saturday. Dude, my dad's birthday. Shout out, Pops. Love ya. Happy birthday. Dude. Pop, love ya. Right now, I'm just getting my camera stuff packed up, my gym stuff packed up. Headed to the gym to do some back with Blake. We kind of DM'd each other on the gram, and he's from Toronto, kind of close to where I am, and he's down to film some sick edits. So we're gonna put something together, and it's gonna be unreal.
Doubt. 5 letters. 1 syllable. A man-made expectation of failure. But it's only a word. You decide what it means.
Same shit, let's go.
So yeah, we met through Instagram, obviously, DMs, and I feel like people don't use the DM function as much as they could when they're trying to grow or connect or network with people in their niche or like their industry. Obviously, connecting and networking with more people in your area will help you establish that and build great relationships. Because obviously Blake and I probably wouldn't meet each other unless it was for Instagram. So here we go, 2018, fired up. See you guys in the gym. I know I say this every video, but it's a super nice day today. Cold and sunny. There's the man.
What's going on? How are you?
What's up, buddy? Oh, sorry.
No, it's okay.
How you doing? Good. It's a little nipply out here, eh?
I know.
Jeez. Let's go.
Dig. Pull. Slow. Focus. Nice. Couple more. 3. Yeah. Oh. Keep going. 2. Squeeze. Hold it. Come on. Fight. Good. 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Everything you got. Shrug back. 3, 2, 1. Again. Shrug back. 3, 2, 1. 4 more. Fight. 4, 3. Slow. 2. Dig. 5, 4. Fight. 3, 2, 1. That's awesome.
Let's get to that point where you're barely shit, but you're like...
Come on, squeeze. I'm pulling, let's go, hold it. Yes, there, 3 seconds. Yep, 7 more. 7, 6, all the way back, come on. 5, dig. 4, hold it. 3 seconds, 3, 2, 1, 2 more. 2, 1, last one, 5 seconds. Squeeze as hard as you get. Everything you got. Let's go. 5. I'm letting go. Hold it. 4. Hold it. 3, 2, 1.
Yes, Mom.
Good. 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 Squeeze. Fight.
Let's go. Squeeze. Pull it low. Let's go. Focus. Couple more. Instagram. Hope you guys are having a sick Saturday. I just had a killer workout with Blake. Literally felt like I was gonna puke for the first time in a while, but now I'm going to get a burrito and I'm filming YouTube too, so cheers. But that's the Instagram story, and what's up YouTube? Going to get that burrito right now, double stuffed chicken for sure, because I feel like my body is still shaking from that workout. Gonna head home, eat it, edit this video a little bit, and it's the girlfriend's brother's birthday tonight, so we're going out for dinner. That should be good, and I'll catch up with you guys then. If you haven't already, smash the like button on this video because it helps the channel grow, and 2018 is the year of growth. So this is really weird. I can see myself in my lens right now, so it's kind of like a mirror. Creepy. All right, see you guys. Largest of burritos right here. Double rice, double beans, chicken. There goes Ben and Brandy. Now it's time to edit the video. Fired up in the birthday party.